Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix error 126. If you keep getting this error whenever your computer start and try to launch the software or game, here you can try this solution on a Microsoft answer. Here, the first method, you can try to restart Windows Module installer service. You can press Windows key plus R, type service MSC, or you can search service here. Here we go, service by system. You can click and search for Windows Module installer. You can click W. You can scroll down and find Windows Module installer. This one you can double click. Then you can try to stop it. As you can see, I already stopped it. Then start the service, restart the computer and check if the issue get resolved. You can try to open the software again, or you can run the second method. You can run system file checker scan to fix a corrupted or missing file. You can run cmd. You can click search cmd, run as administrator. And here you can type the sfc scan now. You can copy it and then right click sfc space hashtag scan now. You can enter and wait for the process. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and circle the text button below. See you in the next video.